condensed glue gels. Hey Ika, thank you so much. It's 10 Lisa. Thanks so much. Thank you everyone. Thank you. Oh, thanks so much, Nene. I just got to see. Hey Jasmine from Facebook. How are you? Happy Tuesday. So again, condensed glue gels. Make sure you put the cap right back on. You do not want to let it sit there. If you're doing your clients and you're busy and talking, or even you're doing it for yourself, you're busy and doing so many things at the same time, different nail art, make sure it cap on, because you do not want it sit on underneath of the LED lights or right across from the LED light when you're keying your nails, and actually accidentally you might here yours condensed glue gel too. So if you cap it on, take good care of it, it will last you quite a long time. Doesn't matter how many sets you are going to do. So no wet top coat on the top. Keep in mind, if you're doing a matte top coat, you can apply the matte top coat on, okay? So then it gives you this shiny. However, if you decide to do is the glitter no wipe top, because Glitz has hollow silver and hollow gold, so then rose gold. So then if you want to get like shimmery finish, then you apply it on instead of no wipe top coat, no wipe clear shiny top coat. You can do other colors on the top. So for this is super cute one, we can do this little cute frame. This is all come from the kits, so I didn't use anything else that different, because a lot of questions. And then for all the order, we'll try to ship all up order out today. For a lot of you, probably your kits is on your way, and our team is working hard to make sure that everybody will get your kits, so then you can able to start experience it. And you can do some, I would suggest doing some swatch for your sample, so then the clients can get an ideas that they are able to get in a different size or different designs out of it. All right, add one more. And then add some beads on. So it's really cute and really simple for a lot of us, like a simple nails. You don't have to get like so dramatic. You can definitely ask your nail tech to, if you're seeing your nail tech or if you're doing it for your clients, you can introduce with the $5 nail art. It won't take you like 20 minutes to make $5 nail art. It will take you 5 minutes or less to do super cute and simple design. So $5 nail art, you are not using a centerpiece. Using is mostly is the smaller size. All right, and you can add beads on. And some salons is add beads on like a $6-7. Some salons is just including, so it's really depend on the salon location on how you are. You can also do this, you know, special early bird special for the clients. Just like for instance, if you are like filling up with your schedule and then you still have a couple spots you would definitely really want to fill it up, you can definitely running special promotion for your clients. Right there. And one more piece. Green one right there. Great. Here you go. Now you cure for